Show date.
Okay, is it? Oh God, that was loud. So here's the new game I downloaded.
Don't scare me. Said her name.
Oh, why does it keep delaying? Well, I'm gonna. Okay, let's see who I can play as though.
Alien?
Okay, so later. Okay. Okay, I got a rank on. Come on. Come on. That.
Why there's lots of chickens here? I'm killing it.
Okay.
Them. Jesus, there's a lot. I'm killing them. There's a lot of chickens.
Oh man. Seriously? Already? What? What? How could I have lost? How I had 3 lives. Oh, that guy looks intimidating. No. Hey, don't you? Oh. I must. Okay, I really want to unlock this guy. When it was arcade, no. Okay, back arcade. I swear. Okay, how many did I win? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, wait. Oh, I have to complete this guy. Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
Oh, that guy looks intimidating as the last one.
You are going sideways.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now I'm actually getting like.
Yes, there's more TNT. What does TNT have come from?
Okay, I think that guy. Oh yeah.
Don't kill me.
Oh, what the? However, there are still a couple of seconds
like
left.
That player. I hate that player.
Oh! This guy.
Cheater player.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Exactly why. Please just.
No, I hate that player. I ever hate the player who have. I really hate players when they kill me. I'm out.
Oh. Oh yeah.
I was about to bomb it.
What? Oh yes,
What?
I win. I think I can unlock that. Cameron, unlock. Oh yes,
yeah.
Now we can unlock that guy. Yes, we can unlock that guy now. Okay.
I'm playing Mineplex again because it crashed. Like, it crashed for no reason. Like, this is...
Yes, come on. Oh, man. No.
Sure, I could escape. No. That one.
Come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That. Good? This is a good Whoa, that's Mario. What's his name?
Oh yeah.
Luigi. His name is Luigi.
Head. Should I download Head Basketball though?
I guess I could.
Ah, she is.
Okay.
She is getting. Oh.
Lu-
Oh, I have 3 lives now. Ooh.
They have a pet? What? How can they have a pet? I want a pet called skeleton, I think. I don't know. I think I want a kitten.
You think you want to kill him?
Kitten.
A kitten?
Yeah. I'm ready for the fight of killing monsters. You can't kill
What
the
the-
people, only
Oh
monsters.
yeah. Oh, I win. I have no idea why I pressed the power thing though. Okay, this weirdo guy.
Da-da. Da-da.
Oh yeah.
No.
I win still. Yay.
You're slow. You know, zombie pigman. I need our other
I really
boy.
hate
I
when
lost.
you do boo. I hate it when they do that. Oh, that's what I want to hear. What? I really hate that.
Come back here, zombie pigman. Defeat me.
Somethable. No, don't you.
You did a zombie.
Oh, let's see what rank I got. Still an F. How do we unlock that guy?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we'll have to do
This-
a tournament. Tournament with this guy. Kick off. Kick him off. Okay.
What's the other mobs? Round 2. Okay, I'm not ready for round 2 because they need more health. I said I'm not ready, but they. Those little zombies. Not me.
Oh,
Yeah.
right in the goal. Oh yeah, right in the soccer net.
I got 5 of them to. Hey, skeleton. I don't like the skeletons as well because they're like little elephants.
Oh yeah, now we have equals. Sudden death. Okay. Okay, and he's definitely gonna win for this one. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Stop.
No, no. Oh, see? This is only my first round, I think. 100 points. I got 100 points for that.
For the alien? You could buy the alien or not?
No, I don't know. Pick off. Oh, I'm against some guy. Yeah, that guy. The guy in that flag. What? Did he kill me? He somehow managed to, like, kill me?
Okay. Okay.
What is he gonna do? I'm gonna keep
Hope
kicking.
you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. I finished the video.
Okay, you don't need to share it on YouTube. Oh, please, please, please.
I need to share it.
No, don't share it.
Yeah.
Take it. Oh, yeah. Okay, I need to take it. How did that happen? Yeah, I'm a good starter, man. I'm a good starter, definitely one. A good. Something on. Boo. Yeah, that's what I want to hear for him. Luckily, there's 1 second left. Next match.
They said boo to you,
No, they said boo to him.
but they said it against you.
Yeah, I really hate that one though. Oh. Oh, I kicked it, I think. I kicked it. Oh, you thought you blocked it, huh? Okay, I'm badly hurt right now. Wow. No, don't. No, don't. No. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Right before he even did it. Kick off. Oh, I thought I was against my guy. Hey. We're both tough guys. One of us really want to kick that guy's head off. Really want to kick that guy's head off. Hey. Oh yeah. What? Why did I jump? No. No, I hate you. Oh yeah, you just got burned. Oh yeah, I'm almost to your level. You cheater. No, you monster. You monster. I hate you. Nope. You're so good. Don't you dare say boo to me. Okay, so at least... okay, who the heck is that? Ouch. Ah! You win. Oh yeah? Just wait until you get a piece of this. How? Okay, I really want the pumpkin head guy. Okay, I really want the pumpkin head guy. Okay, that guy is definitely gonna win. Get this guy to bleed first. How many? Can I check how many wins I have? Okay, options. Stats, yeah? Wins 13, lose 9. Wait, win? Multiplayer. Also, so far I have 13. 9. Survival. Okay, so I really want to make another Minecraft Pocket Edition survival series though. Yes, I managed to kick it. Instead of those other people, just... oh, really? Can I get the alien, though? Okay, I'm just gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.